heard lots about. So let's see. Atmantan. The Buddha, the mountains, the pretty resort all around, and the beautiful Mochi Lake beyond. That's a pretty relaxing view, right? Hi, I'm at Atmantan. Okay, this is the room, really pretty. This is some fancy Egyptian couch sheets and like a really soft mattress which they said they're using for the first time in a commercial establishment. This is the rest of the room. Okay, very pretty room. And this is the view, which is like the highlight of the place. Come, I'm going to show you the view. So this is what it looks like, the lake. And it's got a statue of the Buddha here. Look at that. That's the Munshi Lake. The welcome pot, welcome flowers, real flowers, mind you, and the room with a view. Show you, like all girls, I'm very particular about the loo of the place. I'm going to show you the loo here at Atmantan. Ta-da! See, that's the view when you're soaking in the bathtub. And of course that's the best room, but this, look at how it is. I can sit here the whole day. In fact, I think I will. So you all saw a view from the balcony, and this beautiful view is from the bathroom. So that's the tub. You can soak in here and see this beautiful view at the same time. At the Atmantan Wellness Center, and the detox, or how should I say, the cutting off from modern world has already begun. There is absolutely no network here, and there's signs everywhere saying digital detox, talk to each other. So that's what we're doing, talking to each other. The spa room, which is part of the villa, that's of course the beautiful view. This is the steam room. I'll show you the view from that's the beautiful spa room. The Atmantan Wellness Center enjoyed the first of what I hope will be many more massages. I'm here for the weight management program. Believe it or not, I'm about 5 kgs overweight. I'm hoping to reduce that the lazy way. This today's day 1. We've got 5 days of yoga, wellness, healthy food. So I'll tell you how it goes. And this might be the prettiest bath that I've ever seen in my life. It is so pretty. Oh my god, I could just sit and look at it. It looks like a picture perfect painting. Also, apart from all the other group activities that these guys have, they also have individual, I don't know what's happening really to it. So apart from all the group activities that these guys have, they also have individual training. So we've had individual training sessions, Pilates sessions, things like that. And there's also like croquet, there's like miniature golf. So I'm planning to, I haven't played either before. So I'm planning to go and try it out. And that should be fun. And we can see who wins and like how the game goes. You all also saw the place. I got feedback from a lot of you that I talk really fast whenever you all saw my earlier videos. So as you can see, being in a wellness spa has really worked for me. My speed of talking is like slowed down, like zen is reflecting everywhere. So yeah, okay, so now I'll tell you what happens tomorrow and the after. Okay. We're here to learn croquet. So yeah, watch us learn. That's the red ball, which is mine. That's the black ball. Say hi, Vinny. That's our butler who's been taking very good care of us.
And this is me, trainer.
This is the trainer who's teaching us really well. Croquet went. Okay, this was the first goal. And they're all built like little men. This is the second goal. This is the third one. Then there's a fourth guy there. This is the bridge, which the ball can't go like a cricket ball. It has to like go smoothly over. Across there, this bridge, there, and then finally there was a wicket here, which is where it has to reach. This is the kingfish main course, and you can see how perfectly proportionate is it. It's got a little bit of capers, olive, two kinds of sauces, and a flower next to it. It's the remainder of the sunset, the light. That's the pretty pool. And I'm going to try and show you the moon, though I don't know if that's possible with an iPhone. Oh yes, we saw it, we saw it. This is lemon tulsi. That's Hakkan. That's gunj. I guess those are trees to keep it upright. It's a creeping plant. Herb garden. They've got all kinds of plants, including the vegetables that we actually eat here. A lot of them are grown here. That's sarkam, that's bala, I don't know what that is kokum. There, that's gel, okay. This is Agni Matha, Kapur, and Mehendi. So this is the herb garden right next to where we played croquet. See, that's what it looks like. Each herb has its own little patch. This tulsi. Little herb garden through which we are walking into the restaurant. See, that's Fennel, that's Fennel. Okay, we're walking. Walking. These are lovely benches. Little stone steps leading down. That's the restaurant. Up to the little pond These are the lovely stone steps. Okay, that's me being clumsy. They have beautiful like driftwood sculptures all around. I think this is like a horse. It's beautiful. I love driftwood. See, I'll show you. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah, that's the driftwood horse. And this is the lovely little pond. And that's the oxygen park beyond. Atmantan. This is the lovely little oxygen park. Surrounded by mountains on all sides. Lovely flowers. That's the mountain that we are going to climb to. 1,000 meters, 2,000 meters, 2,000 meters. Can you see the flag on top? If you can't see it, well, it's there. And that's how high we are going to climb. So ये रहा lake, ये रहा हेमंत, और ये रहा ऊपर. That is the temple that we are going to. Okay, that's how high it is. Is the mandir where we are climbing to. Okay. Yeah, that's the flag there. Hemant, hello, bolo.
Hi, hello.
So here we are. So this, okay, guys, is cow dung. Cow dung is, everyone knows what that is, but it's used as manure in India. It's also used for burning the chula to cook fire. Fuel as fuel. And that's the lady who's gathering the cow dung. कैसे हैं आप? And that seems to be the pet dog. See another lady? This is the house where she lives in. So there's some cats here. We saw some, I don't know, the chickens. Oh, there are the chickens. Can you see them? There's a hen and a cock. And the doggies are barking. This is the lake, the mountains. And this is the mandir that we've climbed up to see. And this is the Ganesh ji. Finally we reached here on top where we've been climbing for the past 1.5 hours with our wonderful guide Hemant. And yeah, this is the mountain and the lake. This is Atmantan where we've been staying all these days. The beautiful, beautiful Atmantan. And it's morning. We've left at 5:45 in the morning, but victory finally. So we finally reached on top of the mountain. It was a very difficult trek. When we saw it from down, we were like, how will we climb so high since nobody does trekking on a regular basis? But we are here, and the guide kept telling us, Hemant kept telling us that when you reach there, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And it's true, when you reach here, you feel कि I've climbed a mountain and you really feel you've accomplished something. So Atmantan's been wonderful. The staff has been wonderful. Everything about the place is amazing. The staff is so caring, so nice. And I'm coming back here again in the next 3 to 4 months. The Atmantan tagline is transform yourself, and I really do feel like a new person, both from the inside and like spiritually as well as physically. I hope you guys enjoyed my entire Atmantan experience and all my other videos. Like, share, subscribe and follow me on social media. Thank you guys for being with me through all of this, and